Hey there, it's Brittany, and it's the last day of my 14 days of jewelry tutorials for Valentine's Day. What would Valentine's Day be without candy hearts, right? So I have this strand from Jesse James Beads. I have these from my bead shop. These clasps are from Jesse James Beads. So Turquoise Street Beads is my bead shop if you didn't know. And then I have these really yummy aqua crystals. These are in my bead shop as well. I'll put the links to everything in the description of this video so you'll be able to find it. These are affiliate links for Jesse James Beads, so they help my channel. I also got out some of these purple hearts from Jesse James Beads as well. So we have a lot of fun stuff to work with today. I think we'll make some earrings using my pieces, and then I think I'm going to make a fun little necklace with these aqua crystals. I also have, these are 8mm. I also have a similar color in a round. Actually, I don't know, we might use that. And I think I might have this color in 10mm, but I'm not 100% sure on that. I also had pink in 8mm and 10mm. So I have a lot of stuff to play with today. We got a lot of crystals, we got a lot of bling, but I just really wanted to get that candy element in there. So the first one I wanted to do, I was going to use the turquoise hearts on here, but maybe I'll use, I don't know. Well, let's see what we can come up with. So I have this candy heart strand, and I love the color combo that they used, and I love the order in which they put these beads. I think I'm going to take one of these hearts out, and then I'm going to open up this guy. Designing on the fly here. I'm thinking we'll do a little pendant action here. I might change up the way that the colors are though, because I don't really want the purple that close to the purple heart. Let's see, maybe we do the purple up here. I know it's kind of not, it's not really Roy G. Biv order. Also, I want to flip these the other way. Because if it was Roy G. Biv, we would have pink on this side up here. And then green on either side. I like this better. So Roy G. Biv, if you're not aware, is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. So the order of the rainbow, but not everybody knows that it's Roy G. Biv, so I'm sorry if I say that a lot and you don't know what the heck I'm talking about. So I like that better. I like that better than the color way that it was in. I can say one little heart for a bracelet, I guess, but I can also make a coordinating bracelet with this guy. I might save it though, because I really just really love these Shambhala beads from Jesse James Beads. They're so stinking beautiful. And then metal color, maybe gold, because I'm doing gold on here. I love these. These are cute. They're teeny tiny. And dainty, and I love them. And then maybe a seed bead as well. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna get a cute color of soft flex. What colors do we have? This periwinkle. I think I have a lot of this. So I think we'll go with that because it's pretty. For the pendant, I need to find a bead, a head pin. I'll put one of these spacers on because I can tell that that pole's going to be too big for the tiny head pin. That's so cute with a little gold at the bottom. And we'll just do one at the top and see how that looks with a seed bead. Love it. Super easy. Sorry, my nails are a mess. I've got makeup under them. End of a very, very long, long day. Okay. And then I'll just do a wire wrap loop. Oh, these might be my old ones. Okay, and then we're going to hold those. Or hold that, I should say, and then grab my other piece and whip it around. Really easy peasy pendant, but it's so stinking gorgeous with all those rhinestones. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love that. And then my crystals. Oh, I also have a baby blue. I actually really like I love the aqua, but I think I like the baby blue a little bit better. Again, these are in my shop at Turquoise Street Beads. I think it's like 15 inches of beads for, I think I put them at $6. So, and I have them in a ton of colors. Okay, there we go. And now I don't know if I want to have the beads that close together or if I just want to separate them with the blue beads. I'm just going to kind of pop a couple blue beads in there and see if that's what I want to do, or if I want to just do, oh, yeah, I like that, but I think the wow factor is going to be all these guys together. Where did I put my wire? Here we go. So this color is Tanzanite from Softflex. I've been using a lot of Softflex lately. I've been using a lot of bright color beads, and you know, we love bright colors and matching coordinating wire around here. Okay, so I'm gonna put on a seed bead, then my first pink heart. Oh, I actually didn't, I like how that looks. I think maybe like a flat spacer against the bottom of the heart, and then a seed bead to go in the top of the heart to like nestle in there. Yeah, that looks cute. I realized I did make something very similar to this on one of the days with another Jesse James bead strand, but this one has pendant and we're making earrings. So, and it's not ombre, it is rainbow. But I'm gonna just string, oh gosh, that's super cute and so sweet. I'm gonna string everything. When I get to here, I might put in a crystal just to get some space between these green beads, and then I'll do the same thing with the gold beads. Okay, so I strung on 3 beads at a time with a spacer, then a seed bead, then a spacer, and then I ended with a spacer and a seed bead in the back. I have these really chunky gold jump rings that I'm going to crimp onto, and I have 2 Softflex crimps. And I'm going to use this really fun heart clasp from Jesse James Beads. So let's grab the end here, but also this necklace is super duper gorgeous. It's so cute, and I know it's really whimsical, but I'll wear it. I don't care. I'm 40 years old. I'll wear something that looks like this. So I'll put the crimp bead on, come through my my jump ring, come back down through crimp, take my crimping pliers, move that crimp down towards my jump ring a little bit, and we'll squish, turn 90 degrees, squish again, and then squish one more time. And then I will feed my excess wire through a couple of these beads here. it off and move everything down toward what we just crimped. Just making sure there aren't any noticeable gaps. And then we'll come through our crimp, our next crimp, and our jump ring again. Come back down through our jump ring. I actually used way too much wire on this necklace, but it is what it is. I could possibly make a bracelet with the leftovers. I will save that amount. And then I'm going to come back down through a couple of these beads. Grab my tail, grab my jump ring, and pull. And you can pull tight because the rest of the necklace is in the loosey-goosey fashion. We're not doing it in a straight line, making sure there aren't any gaps really anywhere. Most of the time you'll get a little bit of a gap, but not too much if you're paying attention. Tell me how many times I haven't really paid attention though. And then we'll squish, turn, squish, squish. All right, and then we'll chop off the rest of this wire. We will put our clasp on. So you can replace the clasp later if you want. You can change them out because here's one that's like a periwinkle. Put it on both pieces. And there is our little candy heart necklace. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, that is a dream. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Then I'm going to make an earring. I'm just going to do something super simple. I've got some 22 gauge German style beading wire from, or German style wire from Bead, and I'm just going to cut a little chunk of that off. And I have my Bead pliers here. I'm going to go ahead and go to the back of my pliers to create the biggest loop I can. Typically I use jump rings on polymer clay, but when it has thicker connections between, or thicker point between the hole and the edge, it's okay to use wire wraps as long as you're not doing it really tight. Polymer clay can rip, so I'd hate for you to buy Artisan pieces and then you rip it and you can't fix it because you did too tight of a wrap. So jump rings perfectly fine, or you can do a big wrap like I'm doing right here. And then we are going to just wrap that around itself, push it down a little bit, wrap a couple times. It's a little bit of a mess. Oh, see, you got to be careful. You got to be careful. You don't want to ruin your beads. Get that around, and then I'll just straighten that wire out because she's a little loopy now. No pun intended. And if you can't get it to go straight, you can just redo it. But I think I got it. I got it well enough that I'm not going to redo it. So I'm going to snip that off in the back. I am going to grab a little couple spacers here. Again, this is very simple. This is not the series for crazy stuff. I'm going to do a spacer, one of my blue crystals. So while these earrings don't necessarily match the necklace, they coordinate because we're using the same color crystals and the same gold beads. And then a seed bead. And then we'll do a wire wrap loop at the top. I love these because they look like little cakes to me. I have them in this pink in my shop, and I also have them in turquoise. And then we will turn that sideways and wire wrap a couple times. There we go. Chop that off. Grab our ear wire. And there we go. Again, I will put links to everything that I can in the description these hearts, these crystals, and then the affiliate links for the beads and the clasp that I used from Jessie James Beads. Super cute. Can't wait to wear these. Well, wear the necklace. I won't be wearing the earrings, but I absolutely love how cute this is. Thanks for watching. Thank you for sticking with me through the 14 days. It's been a wild ride. You can, if you haven't watched any other videos, I would go back and watch and figure out why. But thank you for sticking with me. I know you guys really like the series. I had fun doing it. And maybe tell me what series you want to see next. I'll see you soon. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.
There's my baby burrito. He's so cute, Chihuahua. Hi. Hello. Oh my goodness, you're so sweet. Hi. Hello, Goldie. It's the baby. You're so cute. You're so cute. I can't stand it. Look at that pupperito.